There's not a better feeling than for the homeowner to get exactly what they need. It's fantastic.
Basically what we tell our customers is if you got an electrical issue in your home, we can take care of it.
We have done everything from a whole home generator to security cameras.
We're going to make sure everything's in compliance and up to code. We're going to make sure that your family is safe.
Unfortunately, something as simple as twisting a wire nut on incorrectly can be a potential hazard. So it has to be done by a licensed professional.
I absolutely love what I do, and the reason that is because I know those customers are taken care of.
That's what we provide, delivering on exactly what we say we're going to do in exactly the time frame that we say we're going to do it. It's really fulfilling once you can change someone's everyday life. What more could we want?
We'll always be here, so if you just need us, call us.